Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create an image gallery using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Inside the container, I'm creating an aside, creating an unordered list with image list ID. Now come to the JavaScript part. Let's create an image list array with all the images linked. Next, assign the bg image aside and image list UL using getElementById in constants. Now create a list images function to show all the images. Inside for each, creating li element. Then create an image object. Assign the image to src. Add the image to li. And add this li to ul. Next, call this function. Here all images are showing. Now I have to decorate the ul and li. I want to show all images in one line. That's why I'm using display flex with a gap. Next, add with height to li and image. Here it is. Next, adding the hover effect. On hover, all images will be black and white and blurred. And hover image will be pop up little bit. For that I'm using translate Y. Next, create another JavaScript function to show the selected image by passing the array position. First, create an image object and assign the image path to src. Using a while loop, clear the previous image if assigned. Then add the current image. Next, call the function by passing first position of the array. Decorate the bg image aside and image in CSS. In JavaScript, add a dynamic event listener to the image list. On click event, show that image by passing the image position. Here is the final result. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment and don't forget to subscribe.